I wish my car could sound so much better. What can I do to make my car end up singing so great?
Hey!
Hi.
I got it. It's something new I found. It's called Sound Racer. Looks like a little shift gear. But what the heck does it do? Well, you just take this and stick it inside of your car, inside of your cigarette lighter, just like this. And that's it. You set your channel and listen to that baby purr. Are you ready? Listen to that baby purr. Oh yeah. Listen to that baby purr. Now, I bet you 20 bucks that we can get this guy over here to go as fast as this really sounds. Make it a Shelby GT500. So, let's do this.
Yeah, this is awesome.